no tomorrow.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is episode 16 of our 365 daily devotionals. We have been doing the Jesus Calling devotional by Sarah Young. If you have missed any of the previous episodes, I will have those linked in the description box for you. And if you are wondering why I have been doing devotionals and not my DIYs, then I will have those videos linked as well in the description box for you. Get you caught back up. All right, guys, let's jump right in. All right, number 16. Let me show y'all the page. I like to show y'all the verses just in case you want to, get your Bible out and read along with me. But there are the verses for today. Take a screenshot or maybe write them down. Okay. Come to me and rest in my loving presence. You know that this day will bring difficulties, and you are trying to think your way through those trials. As you anticipate what is ahead of you, you forget that I am with you, now and always. Rehearsing your troubles results in experiencing them many times, whereas you are meant to go through them only when they actually occur. Do not multiply your sufferings in this way. Instead, come to me and relax in my peace. I will strengthen you and prepare you for this day, transforming your fear into confident trust. It's very good. Very, very good. Get down. There's literally a dog right there. Get down. Get down. No, you're not doing it. Get down. Get down, Bubba. Go on. Get down. Get down. Good boy. Stay. Stay. Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry. Okay, so the verses for today. Come to me, all who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and humble in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light. Matthew 11:28 through 30. No one will be able to stand up against you all the days of your life. As I was with Moses, so will I be with you. I will never leave you nor forsake you. I have not commanded you, be strong and courageous. Do not be terrified. Do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. Joshua 1:5 through 9. If that's not a very powerful verse, I don't know what is. Let me read that to y'all one more time. No one will be able to stand up against you all the days of your life. As I was with Moses, so I will be with you. I will never leave you nor forsake you. I have not commanded you. Be strong and courageous. Do not be terrified. Do not be discouraged. For the Lord your God will be with you now and forever, wherever you go. Joshua 1:5 through 9. That was so good. The Bible just tells us over and over and over and over, y'all, that the Lord is going to be with us. Over and over it tells us that. These devotionals have been something so good for me because there are a lot of these verses that I have forgotten about, that I haven't heard in a long time. And I told y'all before, I don't go to church like I should. I haven't been in a church home in going on about 5-6 years now, honestly. And I miss that. I miss that fellowship. I miss that, closeness with other believers like that. So these devotionals and being able to talk to y'all in the comments and, stuff like that, it kind of fills that void for me. It definitely refreshes my memory as far as, you know, the different verses and whatnot, and God's promises, you know, that he literally tells us over and over and over again that he's going to be there for us. But it not only does that, but then it fills that fellowship, because, you know, getting to be in the comments and talk with y'all and see y'all's prayer requests, and see that, you know, some people, I've seen some comments where, you know, they'll just leave a little something and it says, thank you so much, I needed this today. Or, you know, thank you so much, this really hit home for me. Though that kind of stuff just, oh my gosh, it just soothes my heart. It just makes me want to burst with happiness. You know what I mean? Like, I love that so much. Oh my goodness. Because these devotionals was just something that I wanted to do for myself, and I thought it would be nice to share it with y'all. And the way that you guys have interacted with it and stuck with it, you know, and you're watching every video, and I just cannot thank you enough. I honestly cannot thank y'all enough, because it's just gone over so well. And like I said, it really fills that void for me, that little church void, I guess you would say. Not to say that going to church is not the best alternative. I don't mean it like that, but I'm just saying, while I'm not in church right now, this is something that I feel really strong about, and I really am enjoying very, very much. So once again, I thank you all so much for being with me every time that these videos go up. I appreciate it more than you will ever know. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being with me today. If you will do me a huge favor and give this video a thumbs up, it definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family, and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being with me, and you all have a blessed day.